Welcome to Hellhole Trail, where adventure meets serenity. Whether you're an avid hiker seeking new challenges or a nature lover in search of tranquility, this trail has something special for everyone. Lace up your boots, breathe in the fresh air, and let the journey begin. Your adventure awaits. Let's explore Hellhole Trail together. This challenging out and back trail is almost 3.5 miles round trip. Due to steep inclines and rocky terrain, this trail is best suited for fit, skilled hikers. Know your own limits and come prepared. Many others who have been on this trail strongly recommend bringing water and good hiking shoes with ankle support. The trail is shaded by the towering cliffs in the mornings, but be sure to check the UV index and bring sunscreen. Hellhole Trail is relatively close to St. George. Start by heading towards Ivins using Bluff Street. Keep right as it merges with State Route 18. Turn left to go west on Snow Canyon Parkway. Turn right onto East Center Street. Continue on Center Street for about 3 miles and turn right onto 400 West Street. The Hellhole Trailhead will be on the right. The trailhead is across from this Kayenta sign, so keep an eye out. One of the unique parts of Hellhole Trail is its geological formations. The red surrounding you is part of the Kayenta sandstone layers, shaped by wind and water over millions of years. The canyon gets its name from the towering red sandstone cliffs surrounding you as you find your way into the canyon known as Hellhole. This part of the hike is where you can find shade from the beating sun of St. George. The trail is accessible year-round, but the best time to hike is during the cooler months, since summer temperatures can easily exceed 100 degrees. Dogs are allowed on this trail but must be on a leash. The Hellhole Trail crosses through different kinds of property, so be sure to stay on the trail and follow the signs. We share Greater Zion with everyone who loves the outdoors, and we want to keep sharing it for generations to come. So leave the trail better than you found it. Pick up trash and definitely don't leave anything behind. With the correct preparation, this trail is bound to be appreciated. Plan your trip today and experience Greater Zion.